Hey there, Danny here from IDTA. This video is for you if you are feeling stuck in your trading journey, if you're taking too many trades, if you're over risking your capital and just not seeing the results that you hope for. You're not alone. Many traders do fall into the trap of thinking success means more trades, more screens, more complexity, but often that just creates more pressure, more stress, and less consistency. In this video, I walk you through how I simplified everything. I withdrew profits and reset my live account to around US $3,000 and focused on just one strategy, one market, and 1 to 2 trades per day. The result was a 51% return on investment, and that was not trading every day. 67% win rate, however, my winners were greater than my losses, and all on around 60 minutes or less per day. If you've been overcomplicating things or just feeling really stuck, this might offer a fresh perspective. The start of June, I did a little personal challenge for myself, inspired by Mr. Girdwood, and I withdrew profits from I've got a few different accounts, as you know. And so I withdrew profits and I pulled it back to around 3K. I couldn't get it exactly 3K, which actually annoyed my OCD. I got it to 3,058, which was so. Intention of the live account 3K challenge is to show what's possible trading IDTA strategies. So exactly what you see in Euro LTRs is all I really ever trade. With a small account starting balance, with a less is more approach. Very important. Showing that I practice what I preach and that there is no secret sauce. I want to remind you of the power of leverage. It's not about more trades. It's about taking more contracts per trade as an account grows, or leveraging across multiple accounts. I won't go into this, but those in the know, that's another way you can do it. Showing the importance of good risk reward as well. Okay. So what did I do? Just keep an eye on this. This is the rejection that I thought would happen off this trend indicator, and here's potential continuation. I really want it to come down here. Otherwise, it won't be a trade. So what did I do? So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So one market. I didn't even look at NQ. I looked at MNQ, mostly because I reduced it to a tiny balance. One edge, so I'll show you all the trades as well. You can see there everything that I would take in a Euro LTR. So I'm looking at 5, 15, 30, 60 combo trading. Now, I can't always trade Euro. For me, the Euro is 3 p.m. Perth time, which is a nightmare because it's school pickup, and I can't always do Euro. So I will look in Asia those mornings. But I don't do both. I don't do Asia and then Euro. It's literally, I look for a trade, I'm done, and switch off, and then that's it. That's my trading done. 1-to-1 or better, sometimes slightly less than 1-to-1. So for instance, if I've got a 100 tick target, but 80 ticks into the target, I have a confluence of lots of things that I'd probably want to reverse off. Well, sometimes I just go slightly less than 1-to-1. 1 to 2 trades per day. All right, one of those days I did take 3 trades, but one of them was a break even. So I gave myself permission to have 2 more. I used 2 to 4% risk per trade. We're very conservative in the LTRs, we stick around 1 to 2%, but 2 to 5% is apparently industry standard for a conservative day trading. There was one trade that I did go up to 5% just to be able to get into the trade. I really don't spend more than 30 to 60 minutes per day max. Some days, as I said, I'm in and out within 5-10 minutes. Upload all screenshots and trade executions. I'll show you all my trades in a minute. So here's an email from NinjaTrader. I withdrew profits. I actually invested in shares and crypto. It's pretty much how I treat my trading. I withdraw and skim profits and I invest. So the balance was updated the 3rd of June, as you can see. So the challenge actually started the 4th of June with a 3,058 starting balance. My win rate dropped actually in June. My win rate's normally around 70 to 75, but it dropped 67.86% win rate. I've got quite a high daily win rate, meaning that I end the day in profit more often than not. On average, I can expect about US $90 per day. Gross profit was US 17.15. I paid it commissions. Net profit US 15.45. So here I did a little screenshot showing that that 3K balance is now 4,603 for that particular account. And that is 2,366 Australian dollars, which is a 51% return on investment. Now, the fact that super funds, hedge funds get really excited about 8% a year, I think that's pretty good. Now, here's all my days. You can see how little I actually trade. Look at this. I started the challenge with a loss. That was great. One trade, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. That was my break even, and then 2 more. 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. 1, 2, 2 high probability trades a day is all I really do, because I've proven over and over that that's the most profitable for me. Can expect every time I push the button to make 55 US dollars. I'm so much better at shorting. This is not just June. This is every month. And Johnny Freeman likes to tease me about it. I should just never go long. I'm much better going short. Now, this is the most important thing of this whole thing. My average win, 121, compared to my average loss of 83. My average win is bigger than my average loss, which is why I can be profitable with a 67.86%. If this was 67.86% and this was flipped, I would not be profitable. So I didn't have any like giant wins or anything to get that amount, 288 and 173. That 288 was actually a 1 to 3. So I didn't have much risk on that one. That was a pretty cool one. The market just kept going, so I pushed my target out. Best days for me to trade are Monday and Friday. These are all snips from the journal, by the way. If you haven't got the journal, I highly recommend it. It gives you so much data. Okay, so yeah, that's all the same as what I just said. Here are my tags. Most of my trades are pre-Euro and Euro. Just a few in actually Tokyo, I had 3 trades. Singapore, I had 3 trades. So 6 of them are Asia. There was 1 in post-Asia. Well, look, trader error cost me 3 trades. So $122 for trader error. So yeah, every now and then I have an impulsive trade as well, just in case. This is the big rejection I was thinking about. Hence why I was a little bit nervous to go long. These trend indicators are finding a bit of resistance there. Yeah, so everything was either a 15 trade or a 5-minute trade, exactly what I do. Now, this is really, really important. Power of leverage. Focus on process and percentage, not profits. More trades does not always equal more profit. If I took the exact same trades, exactly the same risk profile and everything on a 10K live account, total profit would be US 5,100. So that's a $7,800 month, taking 1 to 2 trades a day. Exact same trades taken on 3 live accounts using a trade copier, US 4635, which is 7,091 Australian dollars.